Hi, this is Tony Madvibes. Welcome to my studio. And today I'm here to show you one of the favorite units in my setup I've just recently got here. And that's Gyraf Audio G10 compressor. Absolutely great unit. It adds so much character to my chain. I just love it. It is so simple to use and results are just great. What I like to do, and that's maybe a bit unnormal for a unit like this, but I like to drive it really, really hard on the input level, crank it, reduce the output level, and then go very, very gentle on the compression. That way, I can use straight up saturation from the input, and that's just a great character being added there. On the one side, it gives you a feeling that you actually have a more open signal. On the other hand, it's actually saturating the signal. Sounds crazy? It isn't. It's great character. Another very important features are the high-pass filters in this unit, because that way you can control the energy of your sub-basses just perfectly. Depending on the input material, again, you just have to listen. They don't even let you know what numbers. There's no numbers on that unit. So you have to use your ears to find out which setting is the right setting. You have 3 different settings. Just play them all through. You'll find the one which suits you best. You can also use it in a very transparent way. Just go back on your input level, go back on the output level, and then go for a gentle, gentle compression. And you have just a great, transparent compressor. Or, as I just said before, use it as a character unit. Just do whatever you like with it. Magic happens on the input. That's where the magic is. That's all exactly what makes it to one of my favorite units at the end of my chain, because it's very quick and simple, and it just adds that type of character I need for the music that I'm working on. Thanks for building it.